Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can change homepage on your Google Chrome browser. So friend, here I'm going to share with you very easy and simple steps to change homepage in your Google Chrome browser. So let's see how we can do that. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So friend, this is my Google Chrome browser, and here we are going to set home page on our Google Chrome browser. So here you can see this is the home page of Google, and here we are going to change this home page. Okay, so here first we are going to change yahoo.com. This is for example, we are going to do that. Okay, now we are going to change this home page, right? We simply click on this three dot icon and then we are going to click on this settings. So friend, this is my settings page, and here we are going to click on this search engine. So friend, here by this way you can easily change the search engine. Okay, when I click on this down arrow, and here you will see lots of search engine are available. This is Microsoft, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engine is showing over here. We are going to change first search engine. Okay, so we are going to change Bing. Okay, so Bing is my default search engine. Okay, and here we are going to close this browser first. And friend, here you can see that my home page is changed now. Okay, and here you will see this search engine is changed. Here when I click on this new tab, then you can see that again this is the same thing. Okay, but we want to do a Google over here. Okay, so what we will do, so friend, here we are going to change these things to Google. Okay, you simply click on this three dot icon and then click on this settings, and here we are going to change search engine first. Here we are going to select Google and click on set as default. Okay, and here we are going to click on this startup, and here you will add your particular website. For example, we are going to remove it and then click on this specific, and here we are going to add google.com, right? www.google.com. Okay, then click on add button. So friend, this is the specific page is set now. We are going to close this one, and again we are going to open this browser. So friend, here you will see this Google page is set as a home page. Okay, and friend, when I click on this plus icon, then this search engine page is showing over here. These two things are different. You can see that these are the different things. Okay, a specific page is set as a home page, and this is the search engine is added as a default. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can change home page in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, if this video help you, then click on like button and comment me below what things you like into this video. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.